आज मैं आपको वैदिक मैथ्स के विषय में बताने जा रहा हूँ। एक्चुअली वैदिक मैथ्स में 16 फार्मूले की रचना की गई है, जिसका यूज़ करके हम बड़ी से बड़ी कैलकुलेशन को इजी वे में एक्यूरेसी के साथ कम समय में कर सकते हैं। जिनमें से कुछ फार्मूले हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे, जिसमें से फर्स्ट है मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ नंबर्स। इसके लिए कंडीशन है कि प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स हैविंग सम ऑफ वंस डिजिट्स एज 10 एंड द अदर डिजिट्स आर सेम। मीन्स जो वंस डिजिट पे जो नंबर्स हैं उनका सम 10 होना चाहिए, और जो अदर्स डिजिट हैं मीन्स टेंस डिजिट पर जो नंबर्स हैं वो सेम होनी चाहिए। इसका मेथड है, इफ़ द सम ऑफ वंस डिजिट इज 10 and the rest digits are same, then we multiply the ones digit and write the answer on right side. Then we multiply the rest digit to its successor and write the answer to the left to get the complete answer. For example, two digit numbers. Now we have to multiply 84 into 86. So we can see that the ones digit numbers 4 and 6, and the sum of 4 and 6 is 10, and the tens digit numbers are same, that is 8. So we multiply ones digit numbers 4 into 6, that is 24, and 9 is the successor of 8, so we multiply 8 into 9, that is 72. So we get the answer 7224. The next example is, we have to multiply 123 into 127. So we can see again the ones digits are 3 and 7. So the sum of 3 and 7 is 10. So we multiply 3 into 7, that is 21, and the 13 is the successor of 12. So we get 12 into 13 is equal to 156. So the answer is 15621. Case second, if product of one's place value is single digit, we multiply the ones digit and get the single digit, then we add 0 before the single digit, then write the answer on the right side. Again we multiply the rest digits to its successor and write to the left to get the complete answer. Example, now we have to multiply 91 into 99. So we can see that ones digits are 1 and 9, and the sum of 1 and 9 is 10. But when we multiply 1 into 9, so we get only 9, that is the single digit. So we add 0 before 9, and the 10 is the successor of 9, so we multiply 9 into 10, we get 19. So the answer is 9009. The second example, now we have to multiply 79 into 71. So we can see that the ones digits are 9 and 1. Sum of these two numbers is 10, and the product of these two numbers is only 9. So we add 0 before 9, and 8 is the successor of 7. So we multiply 7 into 8. So we get the answer 5609. This is the exercise. Do the exercise. Case 3. If sum of one's place is not 10 but near to 10, that is greater than 10. We break one of the two numbers as the sum of one's place digit becomes 10, then do it previously, and the rest is by distribution law. Example first. To multiply 44 into 47. So we can break 47 as 46 plus 1 because we need to 44 into 46 to get the sum of one's digit, that is 4 and 6. So we break 47 as 46 plus 1, and by distribution law 44 into 46 within bracket plus 1, again 44 into 46 plus 44. 44 into 46 is multiplied by the previous law. The ones place digits 4 into 6, so we get 4 into 6 24, and 4 into 5 is the successor of 4, so 4 into 5, that is the 20. So 2024 plus 44, so we get 2068. Again, second example. Now we have to multiply 108 into 104. So we break 104 as 102 plus 2, and again multiply 108 into 102 plus 108 into 2. So we can solve it. This is the example third, same as this is the exercise, and do the exercise. Again, case 4. If sum of one's place is not 10 but near to 10, means less than 10, we break one of the two numbers as the sum of one's place digit becomes 10, then do it previously, and the rest is by distribution law. As we have done before it, so same, it is the same, we will follow the same process in this topic. So we have to multiply 54 into 55. So we can break 55 as 56 minus 1. We multiply 54 into 56 minus 54 into 1. So 54 into 56, the sum of first digit is 10 and the tens digit are same. So by the previous law, 4 into 6 24, and 5 6 are 13. So 3024 minus 54. So we get 2970. Again, the example second. To multiply 102 into 106. So we can break 106 as 108 minus 2. Again we multiply 102 into 108 minus 102 into 2. So 102 into 108. So one's digits, sum of one's digit is 10. So we multiply 2 into 8, that is 16, and 10 into 11, that is 11016, minus 102 into 2, that is 204. So we get the answer 10812. This is the exercise, and do the exercise. Next, multiplication by 99, 999, 9999, etc. means we have to multiply the number which has only 9 as the digits. So multiplication of two numbers when both have same numbers of digits and one has nines. Example: 24 into 99, 586 into 999, 5739 into 9999, etc. Means this multiplication has two steps to be completed. Step first, we subtract one's digit of first number from the right by 10 and then by 9 respectively. Step 2, 1 is subtracted by the first number and then we write the complete answer. Example first. Now we have to multiply 26 into 99. So there are two steps. Step first, 6 is subtracted by 10, we get 4, and the next digit 2 is subtracted by 9, we get 7, and 1 is subtracted whole the number 26 and we get 25. So the answer is 2574. Example second. Now we have to multiply 367 into 999. So the step first, we subtract 7 from 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3 and 6 is subtracted from 9. So 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, and again 3 is subtracted from 9. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, and 1 is subtracted from the whole number 367. So 367 minus 1, so we get 366. So the answer is 366633. This is the exercise, and do the exercise. Again, multiplication by 11, 111, 1111, etc. means the number which has ones as a digit. So case first, if a is multiplied by 11 or a is multiplied by 111 or a is multiplied by 1111, etc. So at this case, the number a should have the number of digits either equal to the number of digits in 11, 111, 41, or more than the number of digits in these terms, etc. So multiplication by 11, the rule is at first we write the last digit of a, then we add continuously up to 2 digits, and then from 2 digits to single digit. It means we start adding from 1 digit up to 2 digits and from 2 digits to single digit. Example: to multiply 134 into 11. So the step first, we write 4. 4 is the last digit. In second step, we add the last 2 digit, that is 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4, that is 7. Step 3, we add next two digits, that is 1 and 3. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. And at last, step 4, we write 1 as the first digit of the number A. So the answer is 1474. Again, next example is 57 is multiplied by 11. So the step 1, 7, we will write 7 as the last digit. Step 2, we add the last and the second last number, that is 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, where we take 2 and carry is 1. Next step, step 3, that is the 5, first digit, but in second step the carry was 1, so we will add 1 in step 3. So 5 plus 1, that is the 6. So the answer is 627. Next example. Now we have to multiply 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 11. So step first, we will write 7 as the last digit. Step 2, we add 7 plus 6, that is 13. In 13, we take 3 and carry as 1. In step 3, we will add 5 and 6. We get 11 and the carry is 1, so 11 plus 1, that is 12. Again we write 2 and carry as 1. In step 4, we add 4 plus 5, that is 9. Again the carry was 1, so we add 9 plus 1, that is 10. So we will write 0 and the carry is 1. Again in step 5, we will add 3 plus 4, that is 7. Again the carry is 1, so we add 7 plus 1, that is 8. At the step 6, last digit is 3. So the answer is 3, 8, 0, 2, 3, 7. Next, multiplication by 1, 1, 1. Let A into 1, 1, 1. So the rule is, at first we write the last digit of A. Then we add continuously up to 3 digits and then from 3 digits to single digit. It means we start adding from 1 digit up to 3 digits and from 3 digits to single digit. Examples. Now we have to multiply 342 into 111. The solution is, step first, we will write 2 as the last digit. Step 2, we will add 4 plus 2, that is the 6, last 2 digits. Step 3, we will add last 3 digits, that is 3 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 9. In step 4, 2 digits, 3 plus 4. So sum of 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. And the step 5, 3 is the first digit. So the answer is 3, 7, 9, 6 and 2. Again, now we have to multiply 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 1, 1, 1. So the step first is 7. 7 is the last digit. Step 2, we add 6 plus 7, that is 13. In 13, we write 3 and take carry as 1. In step 3, we add 5 plus 6 plus 7, that is 18. And the carry was 1, so we add again 18 plus 1, that is 19. So we take 9 and carry as 1. In step 4, we add 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 15, and the carry was 1, so we again add 15 plus 1, that is 16. So we will write 6 and carry is 1. In step 5, we add 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 12. The carry was 1, so we add 12 plus 1, that is 13. So we will write 3 and carry is 1. Step 6, 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9. Again 9 plus 1, that is 10. We write 0 and carry 1. Step 7, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and 5 plus carry 1 is 6. And the step 8, we write 2, that is the first digit. So the answer is 2 6 0 3 6 9 3 7. Again, multiplication by 1 1 1 1. Let A is multiplied by 4 times 1. Rule: at first we write the last digit of A, then we add continuously up to 4 digits, and then from 4 digits to single digit. It means we start adding from 1 digit up to 4 digits, and from 4 digits to single digit. The example is, now we have to multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 4 times 1, 1111. So the step first, we write 5 as the last digit. Step 2, 4 plus 5, that is 9. Step 3, last 3 digits. 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 12. We take 2 and carry as 1. Step 4, we add last 4 digits. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 14, and carry was 1, so 14 plus 1, 15. So we write 5 and 1 as a carry. In step 5, we add next 4 digits, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10, and the carry was 1, so we again add 1. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Take 1 and 1 as a carry. Step 6, we add first 3 numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So 6 plus carry 1 is equal to 7. And step 7, first 2 digits. 1 plus 2, that is 3. And step 8, 1, that is the first digit. So the answer is 1 3 7 1 5 2 9 5. Similarly, we can proceed multiplication by more ones, the number which has ones as digits. And this is the exercise. Do the exercise. Again, multiplication by 22, 200, 22, 2000, 200, 22, 33, 300, 33, 3000, 300, 33, same as 44, 444, and so on. The rule is we break it as 22. So we can write 22 as 2 into 11, and 222 is equal to 2 into 111, same as 33, 3 into 11, 333 is equal to 3 into 111, and so on. We can break this. So at first we multiply 2 or 3 as required, then solve it as previously by 11, 111, etc. Example. Now we have to multiply 145 into 22. So we can write 145 into 2 into 11. So it is a easy. 145 into 2, the answer is 290. Again 290 is multiplied by 11. So we use the rule of multiplication of 11. We write 0 and the sum of two digits, 0 plus 9, 9, 0, 9 plus 2, 11. So we write 1 and the first digit is 2, the carry is 1. So the answer is 3190. Same as example second. 6, 4, 8, 3 multiplied by 222. So we can write 6, 4, 8, 3 into 2 into 1, 1, 1. So at first we multiplied by 2. So we get 12966. Again we multiplied by 1, 1, 1. So we use the formula for multiplication of 111 and get the answer is 1439226. And the next example is 54762 into 2222. So we can write 54762 into 2 into 1, 1, 1, 1. At first we multiplied by 2 and get the answer 109524. Again multiplied by 1, 1, 1, 1. So by the rule of multiplication of 4 times 1, so we get the answer 1, 2, 1, 6, 8, 1, 1, 6, 4. Again examples. 245 multiplied by 33. So we can write 245 into 3 into 11. So at first we multiply 245 by 3. So we get 735, and 735 again multiplied by 11. So by the rule of previously by 11 we get the answer 8085. Example second. 2435 into 333. So we can get 2435 into 3 into 111. So at first we multiply 2435 by 3. So we get the answer 7305, again multiplied by 111, and by the rule of multiplication of 111 we get the answer 810855. The next example is 62457 multiplied by 3333. So we can write is 62457 into 3 into 1111. So 62457 multiplied by 3, we get the answer 187371, and this number is again multiplied by 1111. So by the rule of 1111 we get the answer 208169,181. And the important points, we can use this method for multiplication by 44, 444, 4444, and so on, and 55, 555, 5555, and so on. Next, this is the exercise. Do the exercise. Thank you.